I have made it to Oaxaca, Mexico. After a month and a half of traveling, I have finally made it to the last part of my Mexican adventure. Join me. All right, made it to Oaxaca finally after 8 hours on that bus. Oh my God. It was a little bit over than I thought it would be.
Aguántame, no me cuelgues, aguántame.
Oh, they've got Apache Americanos. So this is the aroma for your house that you smoke. Incense sticks here, looks like. Lots of incense here. It's like a brujeria, candles, and they've got witches. Muchas cosas. Wow. Talisman. ¿Es tan frío ahora?
Sí.
Sí, muy frío. ¿O?
No, no muy frío.
Okay, poco. Okay. Sí, gracias, sí. Oh.
Varos, 20 varos.
Churros. Wow. Mole. Tacos dorados, pechuga rellena, pechuga asada, costillo a la Barbie. Yeah, I think that says milanesa and pollo frito. Muy bien. Need to try that out after this. They've got coffee here, a lot of coffee shops here in Oaxaca, and we've got plenty of different tiendas here. Man, I have been really sick today, and I just bought something that will help me with my sickness, I hope. But I'm just walking here in Oaxaca right now, downtown, and it's pretty busy, pretty packed here. Going through the stores, trying to find something that is worth purchasing, and trying to get my Spanish going here. And I got some cocos too as well. And it's been pretty hot actually, and cold at night here. It's in the winter time, so it's a bit different. So Hamburguesas. Ah, we've got a nice Pitico store here. This looks worthy of a visit. If I could cross the street without tripping. Oh, Pitico. Nice. We've got some cacahuate salados. Ah, we've got some jalapeno chips. Paquitaxo. Chicharrones. Sabritas. Muy bien. Muy bien. Great Oaxacan dish here. Corn, maize on a stick here. Beats a lot of things like hot dogs on a stick, I think.